What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole. Welcome, guys, to my channel. Today we have a bonus video for that ass boo. Y'all should know from the title what it is. Girl, we are unboxing Boxycharm's premium box for the month of October. So if you guys want to see what my thoughts are on this month's box and their price increase, stay right there, baby. Don't move. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves, as I said before, welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and this is a bonus video for that ass boo. Happy Friday, my loves. Today, we're going to be doing the Boxycharm premium box. There will be no shout outs in this video, guys, but they will have shout outs on tomorrow's Ipsy PR unboxing. So please check that out. I do have a drink. I have some, I think this is pineapple Moscato or something like that. It's wine. Let's take a dance break. Hey, a drink break. Ooh. Oh, my lights are kind of bright. I'm giving off, I don't know what today, but y'all feeling this lip? Girl. Anywho, I will not keep you guys long. This is going to be a quick unboxing. We're going to do some specs on this box and get it open, boo. This is Boxycharm's premium box. It is $35 for this month. The last month that it will be $35. Next month it will be, I think, $39.99 each month. You're supposed to get 6 full-size products in this box with a value of around $215. Now, I will have my thoughts about the price increase at the end of the video, so please check it out because I think you're going to want to hear this. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo. Ooh, a dance break. Hey, it's October, y'all. Halloween coming. Ooh. All right, we're gonna cut this baby open. I don't even remember spoilers. I know yesterday, which I'm filming this on Tuesday. So Monday was the choice items, but I don't even remember. All right, that's what the inside of the box is looking like, my loves. I'm gonna set her on down. And we do get a card. Theme for the month is Spellbound. Oh, I do like that. We have a list of products on the back with the prices. So let's see. I'm gonna give y'all a total towards the end and variation numbers and all of that at the end of the video. So let's go with product number 1. Oh, all right. First product is from Lily Lashes. This is the Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum right there. So this is one of those, eyelash growers, so I can use this on my brows as well as my lashes. It's vegan, biotin, red ginseng, and it has amino acids in it. We open it up. Ooh, I like that. It's a nice little packaging here. Take it out. Oh, it's like a I call this like a eyelash liner, I guess. I don't know. I was expecting a wand, but okay, I like this. All right, I know that these are pricey. Lily Lash is pretty pricey. So let's see what this baby right here retails for. This is a new launch for Boxycharm, and well, this is a new launch for Lily Lashes, I'll say that. Oh my goodness, wait. Girl, $65 for this. $65. Lash Enhancing Serum. Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum is a powerful, results-driven lash serum promoting ultimate lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing that overall appearance of your natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. And this is $65, guys. Wow. Product number 2 is Dew of the Gods. This is an under-eye volumizing collagen pads. Let me take them out. You do get 10 pads in here. This is the little container, guys. It's a like metal container. When you open it up, all of the pads are inside. It's 10 like this. It's 1 pair in each little packet. All right, let's read up about this a little bit. And this is Dew of the Gods Filler Collagen Under Eye Pads. It says, why inject when you can just object? Okay. To dull, tired under eyes with this powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. It's like iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss, and each pad is blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk What? To inspire the power of gratitude, what are you thankful for? Okay, this is $20, guys. Dew of the Gods. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm assuming that they're Buddhist. I don't know why it has to be. Let's move on to the next product. And our next product up, guys, is from Pericone MD. This is the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser right here. You get 6 fluid ounces. This is a huge bottle, guys. Lather a small amount into the hands and gently massage onto damp skin. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Use morning and evening for best results. And let's see what this baby retails for. Where is she? $35 for this, guys. It's a vitamin C brightening cleanser. $35. I've heard of Pericone before, and I think I've used a couple of their products. I'm not really sure, but okay, cool. And our next product is our first makeup product, and this is from Tarte. This is the Man Eater, is this a lipstick? Plumping Gloss. Right here. This is $19. A plumping gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. Nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volume Plump Complex works to visibly plump your lips. $19 for this. The color is beautiful. We have the shade Mauve. Let's open her up really quick and see. Ooh, okay, that's the shade right there. Beautiful shade. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or not. Do they work for you guys? They usually don't work for me, so all right, 19 bucks. 2 more products, guys. Next up is from Lys Beauty. This is the No Limits Matte Bronzer right here. Now I don't even know what my choice item was. I'm sorry, y'all. I really don't remember. I'll look it up and try to put it on the screen. So this is a matte bronzer. This is a new brand to Boxy, and this retails for $18. And it says it delivers a sun-kissed and stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. Okay, it's vegan and cruelty-free, and I told you that this was $18? Yeah, 18 buckaroos. Let's quickly open it. I have the shade Dark. So let's see. Ooh, the packaging is very cute. We open it up. Oh, we get a mirror. Hey, boo. And then I don't know if somebody, maybe I'm tripping. That's the shade right there, guys. It does look like it will work with you, girls, so I'm happy about that. It does not come with like a plastic cover on or anything, but the shade is actually really, really pretty, so I could probably use that. All right, and then our last product comes from Patrick Starr, and this is the One Size Visionary palette. Let's open this up. I think I did receive this in an Ipsy Glam Bag X, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's where I received it at. It is a nice palette. I haven't used it yet. This is what it looks like, guys. It's kind of like slanted at the bottom here, and we get a huge mirror. Hey, girl. All right, guys, and you get a little plastic. And this is the palette. Oh, that's the palette. It is gorgeous. This black shade is beautiful. Blue shade is beautiful. I really love this palette. It's shimmers. It's matte shades. Absolutely gorgeous. I did not use mine, but I will put this one in a giveaway for one of you guys, which we will be having next month. And the price for this is 42 buckaroos. Wow. So when I added everything up, this was my total, $199. All right, let's just go and get some final thoughts. So final thoughts for this month's box is that I'm actually pleased with the 3 makeup products that I received. I like the bronzer, the lip product, and the eyeshadow palette. I will use the vitamin C cleanser, the lash serum I probably use, the eye pads I'll use. So I thought it was a pretty decent box for October. Even if it didn't even reach the overall value it was supposed to, I still think that it's pretty decent. Now, let's talk about these price increases. Now, already Boxycharm is on thin ice with a lot of people, okay? And for them to be going up to $39 for the premium box, and I think it's like $54 for the Luxe box. I'm telling you now, I'd have been canceled the Luxe, but I'm trying to cancel the base box. I am not gonna keep both subscriptions if they're gonna go up on one. I'm gonna keep the premium only because they do takeover boxes with those, so I'll keep it for that reason. Other than that, I would simply let it go. Boxycharm going to have to improve on their customer service. They're going to have to improve on their shipping, and they're going to have to use these quizzes because you just get too many miscellaneous things in your boxes that just don't make any sense. Like the theme is spellbound. So tell me what I got up in here that's like a spell, like it's nothing. So they're going to have to do better with their product selection if they want to keep people. Bad enough, Premium was supposed to be a very makeup heavy subscription when they started, but that lasted all of 1 month, and it's been a lot of skincare. This month was decent, but Boxycharm, I'm telling you, I am not going to pay $25 for the base and $39.99 for the premium. So I'm going to cancel the base for right now and just keep the premium because I don't really think, honestly, it's worth it. Honestly, I don't. But I keep it because I know you guys want to see it. But honestly, I don't think that, you know, it's worth the price increase. Honestly, if I was you guys, and if you wanted my opinion, I would keep the base box because that price is still $25 and they are usually fairly decent. So that is Tonyanicole thoughts. Let me know what you think down below. This is my own opinion, guys. So if you feel different, that is perfectly fine. But this is just how I feel about Boxycharm, given the history that I've had with them, right? Right. All right, love. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our family. I would love to have you. If you love honest unboxings, that's where you, right here is where it's at, boo. I promise you. Don't forget, spread the word. Tell everybody about Tonyanicole and her bomb-ass subscribers. All of my social media links are down below. If you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, that is down below too, guys. I hope you all have a blessed day and enjoy this bonus video for that ass, boo. Bye, loves. See y'all tomorrow.